Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create a WhatsApp username for privacy. So to secure your name, open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. After that, tap on your settings and go to your account. Then tap on the new option labeled username. So for example, say you're on the phone, you just go ahead and open up account, and in here somewhere you will have on the phone that setting labels username. In there, just type in your preferred handle. That needs to be the 3 to 35 characters long, and it has to also start with a letter. If you want to keep things simple, you can just link your Meta account center to instantly grab the exact same handle you already have on Instagram or Facebook. Then once you find that unique name that is available, hit save or reserve to instantly log to your profile. That is it, enjoy, and if this was helpful, like the video.